I'm like, damn, boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Honda Street Garage, and I'm Mark, your host. Today, our little boy, Hayes, over here, is going to paint the bay. It will no longer be pink anymore. I'm kind of sad to see this color go, because I really loved it. But we're on to new things. I don't know if it's new, bigger, and better things. So, Hayes is going to get set up. He's still going to tape off the car. And a couple more things here and there. We're going to get ready to spray. I'm going to have to move some stuff out of here. So, yep. Anyway, so I'm going to get on it. Okay, as you can see, we've got a little bit more taping done. Hayes just went over the whole thing with degreaser. Just taking his time, making sure it's as clean as possible. This is not the most ideal environment for painting, is it, Hayes?
Not really.
But we're going to do the best that we can. Okay, we are all prepped up, ready to go, ready to spray this thing. He's getting everything kind of set up, waiting on just a few things. You got a what?
I'm not gonna have a guy to play ball.
This is it, kids. This is the last time we'll ever be pink. Rest in peace, pink. You were great while you were here. You're great while you lasted. Who knows? I'm getting that tack cloth on there now. So now what he's about to do is spray the primer, not the color. So what you're about to see is gray, because the color is not gray. Okay, so here it is all primered up. It is currently driving. It actually looks pretty good like this. I have to say I kind of like it. But it is not the color. So, we'll be back. battery life left. Is that hardener? So we're doing clear coat. What the hell is that? Reduce it. What are you doing? Tack cloth?
Full speed in the lane, still getting it.
Jessica returns to her car and she's upset.
R.I.P. to Justin DG.
Look, there's still some pink left. See, you look deep.
But if you don't know,
It actually matched pretty well. Like, you know, the pink.
if you don't know, now you know. I like the two-tone pink thing that's on there.
That shit fire, son.
Let me look to the camera.
Dude, it looks good in the camera.
Oh, God. Bro, that
a little
looks
brighter.
like Robbie's antlers. Oh.
This color's a little darker in person than it is in the camera. It's almost purplish.
See the pink?
Ha! Yeah, I did. I don't know what happened to it. What? So here it is. This is the color. It is called EJ1 Blue Pearl. It's the 2017 Fit Honda Accord color.
I'm like, damn boy.
With a little bit of extra flake in it. So on camera, it really comes across as almost electron blue pearl.
He's a liar.
I know, hurry up, my battery's dying. I'm trying to do this. So yeah, it is a little darker in person other than what it is on camera. It almost has like a supersonic blue pearl look to it in person, but it's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. It really looks gorgeous. Really get in there. It's waiting for it to focus. So I'm really happy how this turned out. I can't wait to start putting the car back together, which is going to be the next couple videos coming up. So stay tuned, guys. And if you want to keep up to date, make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Mostly Instagram. If you want to get in contact with me, reach me through Instagram. Thank you guys again so much. Big shout out to Hayes for painting the bay. Big thank you to him. Thank you guys for all the support. Stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and keep on living your dreams.
I'm like, damn boy.